Thank you to all the informaticists and staff trying to make sense of all the new coronavirus data.
To the founding staff members still going on today, thank you.
Sending a very big thank you to all the analysts out there doing such hard, important work to support our community health centers.
Thank you to all the outreach and enrollment staff out there in the field connecting us with the communities. We salute you.
To the optometrists, thank you for your services.
I would just like to thank you for your service. Stay safe and be well.
Thank you to the National Health Services Corps for everything that you do to serve our country.
Thank you to everyone who's ordering the supplies and the PPE.
Thank you to you Chief Dental Officers for your flexibility and sacrifice. We appreciate you. Stay safe.
Extend a huge thank you to all of the staff supporting the PACE programs across the country.
Thank you, pharmacy staff and 340B staff.
Thanks to everyone who's collecting social determinants of health data.
A huge shout out and thank you to our dental hygienists at community health centers.
Thank you to all the promotores.
Thank you so much, care coordinators. Stay well and stay healthy.
To the dietitians and nutritionists, thank you for your service.
Family physicians, thank you.
Thank you, fundraising staff. Each and every one of you are absolutely appreciated.
Thank you, Head Start program staff.
Hi, this is to thank all of the community health educators out in the field.
To the counselors and staff that provide HIV/AIDS services. Gracias.
A huge thank you to all lab technicians.
We thank second and third generation health center employees.
Thank you, nurse midwives, and all you do for moms and babies and families.
Thank you, nurse practitioners, for all that you're doing for us on the front line.
Thank you, OBGYNs.
Thank you to the military veterans. Thank you to all the community health center advocates.
To all the physician's assistants, thank you.
Huge shout out to the quality improvement staff. Thank you.
Thank you for your quiet heroism.
Those that recognize their communities could not be left behind.
Thank you to all of you working so hard, not only to rise to the occasion in this moment of crisis.
Thank you to those staff members who everyone knows to turn to when they need a shoulder to lean on.
To new health center staff, welcome to the family. You came when we needed you most.
Thank you, health information technologists.
Thank you.
To the health center site directors and managers.
Special thanks to our health center staff who stayed in contact with our patients' families who've been admitted for COVID-19. We appreciate your efforts.
To all the chief financial officers and finance staff at the community health centers, thank you for all that you're doing. Keep up your hard work. We're proud of you.
Thank you, health center psychiatrists, for making mental health a priority. We appreciate all you do. Stay safe and stay well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to the accountants for keeping our books straight during this very difficult time. We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, billing clerks and staff.
Thank you, case workers and managers.
Hi everybody, I just want to thank all the health center staff who in the midst of this is still advancing their studies.
Thanks to staff managing all the special projects and programs at health centers. Muchas gracias, muito obrigado, merci en pile, arigato gozaimasu.
To all the special event and health fair planners, thank you.
To housekeeping and cleaning staff, thank you.
Thank you, project managers, for keeping us on track.
Thank you for all the staff who are working from home to support your health centers, even with the day-to-day distractions.
Thank you, licensed practical nurses.
Thank you to the maintenance staff who work to keep our health centers operating and safe.
A huge thanks to all of the pharmacy technicians.
To all the health center controlled networks, we thank you for all you do.
Thank you to the staff at primary care associations.
Thank you to the collaborators working with other groups to help benefit health center patients.
The old saying, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. And you all have proved that to the whole country, and the whole country appreciates it.
To our health center staff who make sure, regardless of language, our patients know what they need to know and what they need to do. Gracias. Danke, grazie, domo arigato, thank you.
Thank you, CMS
CMOs for being courageous, motivating your teams, and providing outstanding care. Be well.
Thank you, internal medicine physicians.
Thank you to gerontologists and others who care for our aging patients.
NAC wants to give a special shout out to all health center grant writers. Thank you for your efforts.
Thank you, human resources staff.
I want to thank all the health center staff whose smiles lift our spirits every day.
Thank you to each and every registered nurse working on the front lines every day in the fight to keep patients alive. Be well and stay safe.
Thank you, social workers, for having such a big heart.
And he'd like to thank doulas everywhere at community health centers for their work on COVID-19. Thank you for all you do.
Thank you to the volunteers, the interns, and those who are helping out just a little bit more. Thanks.
Gracias a todos los centros comunitarios de salud y a todos sus dentistas.
Gracias.
To the phone operators and call center staff, on behalf of the NAC family and my family, we want to say thank you for your service, and we're keeping you in our prayers.
I'm so grateful for this opportunity to say thank you to our frontline COVID-19 testers. Thank you for all that you do.
A big thank you to our school-based health center staff. Stay safe.
Thank you to all the lookalike health centers out there doing a great job for our communities.
Thank you, retired workers who are still helping out. Thank
you to the WIC staff and everyone supporting our youngest patients. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, dental assistants and all, for everything you do. Stay safe and know that we appreciate you.
By saying thank you to AmeriCorps members and AmeriCorps alumni for sticking around after serving.
Thank you for all you do.
Thanks, Addiction Support staff.
A los médicos y a todas las personas que apoyan a las comunidades agrícolas, muchas gracias.
Thank you, licensed practical nurses.
Thank you to all of our health center staff for continuing to fight the good fight.
Thank you, clinical specialists.
Thank you to the community health centers and to all the wonderful staff taking such a great care of our community. A big thank you. Stay safe.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, security and front desk staff. Stay safe.
Thank you to those who remind us every day why we do what we do.
Thank you to all of you who leave your families every day to take care of our families.
I want to say thank you to the board members who are guiding our paths and are the heart of our health centers.
Hi, thank you to the residents and students training at health centers.
Thank you, community health centers.
Thank you to the staff and leaders of our past who are no longer with us.
Just want to say thank you and be safe. God bless.
Thanks to all the data entry clerks and analysts.
Hi, I would like to thank all the chief nursing officers battling the COVID-19 pandemic. Stay safe and stay strong.
Thank you to our mobile unit and transportation teams.
Hey everyone, we just wanted to say thank you so much to all the community health workers out there for all that you do. We are so grateful for all your work. Thank you.
Merci. To all the medical assistants and patient support staff, we love you. We couldn't do it without you day to day. Thank you. Mwah. Love.
To the chief operating officers holding it all together during this very trying time, thank you for your public service. I salute you.
To all of our community health center staff and board members and our primary care associations and HCCMs, thank you all so very, very much for all that you're doing.